Sometimes when you are searching the databases, you will find an article that looks really good, but it does not have the full text. In this case, article number 6 on threshold concepts looks very good, but as you can see, there is no full text available. How do we find the full text of an article when all we have is the citation? First of all, to make it easier for yourself, use the Cite button in the databases and choose the citation style that you are most familiar with. Windows users can press Ctrl+C to copy. Mac users need to use the Command key and the letter C to copy. I recommend pasting this citation into a Word document. It will make the rest of our searching much easier. You will need different pieces of this citation at different points in the search. Go back to the library homepage by clicking the back arrow and holding it down so you can see your history. Step 1 is to look at our print periodical list. This is a list of all the journals that we have in paper at the library. We know from our Word document that the title of our journal is Higher Education, Research and Development. I'm going to go here and look for the letters of the alphabet. I know that I want to look in the H's and I'm looking for higher education. But you can see that this is not the right higher education journal. We need Higher Education, Research and Development. Step 2. It's time to try electronic journals rather than print. Go back to the library homepage and click on the A to Z list of resources. This A to Z list is searchable, and it has a list of all the online journals, magazines, and newspapers that the library has. Click on this link to search by journal title. When you get to this screen, paste in the title of the journal and click Search. There are 0 titles for this search. Do not be discouraged, we're not done yet. Go back to the library homepage. Click on the link for Interlibrary Loan. On the Interlibrary Loan page, there are several different options. If you want an entire book, click the Book or Chapter Request form. For an article request form, which is what we're looking for right now, we click this link. The next screen explains that you can submit 2 article requests at a time. It may take 4 days to 2 weeks to receive the article. Click the button to go to this form. In this form, you'll put today's date, your first and last name, your student ID number, your phone number, your cell phone number is fine, and make sure that you use your St. Leo email address. To fill out the information about the journal, just copy and paste the information from your Word document. You need to have the name of the journal, the title of the article, the author's names, volume and issue number, the date, and don't forget the page numbers. It's okay if you don't know the ISSN number for the journal. Below that is a form for a second article. Scroll below that part of the form. Once you get to the bottom, select undergraduate or graduate student. Indicate whether this item is needed for class and the course it is needed for. This is just for our statistics. It will not change the timing of anything. The preferred method is already set for you. We are going to email it to you because that is the fastest method. Click Submit. This goes to our Interlibrary Loan department. What is great about this service is that you can get articles that ordinarily would have cost $30 to $50 each, but we will get them for you for free from other libraries. Librarians just have those kinds of connections. If you have further questions, please feel free to contact us at the Daniel A. Cannon Memorial Library.